Windows is your local window company. Established in 2002, we provide expert services in London and the surrounding area. Grabex Windows is the leading manufacturer of aluminium, timber and UPVC products and operates out of a state-of-the-art factory in Orpington. We provide a large selection of bespoke windows, doors and roof light systems, which are regularly tested to ensure they meet the most recent industry standards. Each year we exhibit at Grand Designs Live in London, showcasing the latest and most popular products to the public.
We deal with a lot of customers that have their extensions being done, and sliding patio and bifold doors are big sellers. The range of aluminium systems, including CF77, Rainer's bifold doors, is a bestseller. Now we have a new product in range. This is Highfinity. It's ultra slim sliding patio system, very popular for the extensions in London and surrounding counties areas. It is really important to us to get recognized and also to see potential customers face to face and to showcase our products. We think the quality is very important to us, so people should see it before they tend to find us on Google or via recommendation. Our products are regularly tested. We want to ensure that we comply with the recent standards. We recently tested our ranges of PVC and aluminium products, so we know they are past 24. Our thermal efficiencies are of the highest possible. Our motto would be quality and service, 100%. There are a lot of other companies manufacturing products. Our key point is to stay local, stay within the London area, and to provide great service, being able to deliver fast and efficiently. Yeah, quality would be the key.